Hey everyone, are you gearing up for the Salesforce Certified Agentforce Specialist exam? I'm here to guide you through the key objectives and share some tips to help you ace it. First up, let's talk about. This covers routing, presence, and managing work items. Imagine being able to route customer inquiries seamlessly to the right agents. It's all about optimizing customer service. Next, we have. You'll need to know how to create content, understand different article types, and make sure everything is searchable. Think of it as building a library of solutions for your team. Moving on to. This involves creating, assigning, and escalating cases. Efficient case management ensures that no customer query falls through the cracks. Don't forget about monitoring agent performance and key metrics is crucial. You want to keep an eye on how well your team is doing and where improvements can be made. Lastly, there's integration is key here. You'll be connecting Agentforce with other systems to streamline processes. For your study resources, Salesforce Trailhead modules and documentation are your best friends. They provide detailed information and practical exercises to help you get hands-on experience. Remember, the exam guide linked in the description has all the specifics you need. Take the time to go through it thoroughly. Alright folks, that's a wrap on our quick guide to the Salesforce Certified Agentforce Specialist exam. Hit that link in the description for more in-depth learning resources and to register for your exam. Good luck, and happy studying.